maintenance is essential to sustaining peak efficiency and maximizing the value of your equipment over its lifetime, helping you meet your deadlines, reduce unplanned system downtime, and risk of accidents. To assist with this, Instron offers a comprehensive preventative maintenance service. During your preventative maintenance visit, our field service engineers will check the overall performance of your system, including safety checks, and will follow a comprehensive checklist, completing a predefined set of maintenance activities designed to maximize your system's uptime and performance. The checklist includes a comprehensive inspection of your testing instrument and evaluation of your system's electronics and hardware. Our preventative maintenance visits are scheduled at a time that suits your business. We will consult with you and take care of all the arrangements while keeping you informed along the way with the aim of minimized disruption to your operation. We are fully equipped to support you with over 250 factory-trained field service engineers. All field service engineers have access to the latest documentation, official spare parts, and tools required to maintain your equipment at its peak performance. After your preventative maintenance visit, you will receive a comprehensive service report. If you have an Instron Connect agreement, you can access your service reports at any time through the Instron Connect portal or our AI-driven mobile app. As well as preventative maintenance, Instron offers a wide range of accredited calibration services to ensure accuracy, reduce variability, and enhance repeatability of your test results. For more information on preventative maintenance and the other services we offer, please visit www.instron.com.